Hey there! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're answering a big question: how does AI actually work? You've probably heard the term machine learning a lot, but what does it really mean? How do machines learn? And what's going on behind the scenes? Let's break it all down, simply and clearly. What is machine learning? At the heart of AI is something called machine learning. Machine learning is a way for computers to learn from data, kind of like how humans learn from experience. Instead of being programmed with fixed rules, the machine looks at patterns in data and teaches itself how to make decisions. Think of it like this: if you show a computer thousands of pictures of cats and dogs, over time, it learns how to tell the difference, without being told the rules. That's machine learning in action. How machine learning works. Here's how machine learning works, step by step. Collect data. First, the machine is given a large amount of data, like images, text, or numbers. Train the model. That data is used to train a model. The computer looks for patterns and learns from them. Make predictions. Once trained, the model can start making predictions or decisions. For example, it might decide whether an email is spam or not. Learn and improve. The more data it sees, the better it gets. Just like a human improves with practice, the model learns from experience. Types of machine learning. There are three main types of machine learning. 1. Supervised learning. The machine is trained with labeled data, like giving it examples with the right answers. 2. Unsupervised learning. No labels. The machine finds patterns on its own, like figuring out how to group things that are similar. 3. Reinforcement learning. The machine learns by trial and error, like giving a dog treats when it does something right. Real-world examples. You see machine learning in action all the time. Netflix recommending a show, your phone suggesting the next word in a text. Google Maps predicting traffic, self-driving cars recognizing signs and people. That's all machine learning behind the scenes. WRP. Let's recap. AI works by using machine learning, a way for machines to learn from data. It finds patterns, makes predictions, and improves with more experience. And it's already part of your everyday life, even if you don't realize it. If you learn something new, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. And tell me in the comments, what's the coolest or weirdest way you've seen AI in action? Thanks for listening, and I'll see you in the next one.